Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss examples in this topic. Example number 5. In this example they have given a square and all 4 corners they have marked with quarter circles. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So steps are given there. I'll do the sums. First of all, you can try yourself.
Example number 5. They have given this diagram. This is a square. The shaded region we have to find. So I am going to find first of all the area of the square. Area of the square. That is length into breadth or length into length. That is 9r square, because the total length is 3r. Total length of side is 3r. Now I am going to find separately. There are 4 quarter circles. Then area of 4 quarter circles. Then 4 times complete circle or one total circle pi r square. The quarter means we have to divide by 4. So this is equals, these two we can simplify, then simply pi r square. That is 22 upon 7 into r square. So we have to find the area of the shaded part. So I am going to subtract this value from 9r square. So shaded region equals 9r square minus 22 upon 7r square. This is equals 63r square minus 22r square upon 7. So final answer we are getting 41 upon 7 r square. 41 upon 7 r square. What we have to do here, you have to take that LCM for 7, then 7 into 9, 63, minus this 22 r square is common, so divide by 7, so 41 upon 7 r square. This is the final answer.
In this example, they have given a circle and 2 sectors. One sector 30 degree, the other one is 120. We have to subtract these 2 sectors from the circle to find the area of the shaded region.
Example number 6. In this diagram, the circle 28 centimeter. There are 2 sectors, one 30 degree, other one is 120. They have removed these 2 sectors. So we have to find the shaded region. First step, we have to find the area of the circle. Area of the circle, say A1, say. Then pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28. So if we simplify this one, your answer will be 2464 centimeter square. Next, I am going to find the area of the smaller sector, say A2. That is equal, this is the general equation for a sector, theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here theta 30 degree, therefore 30 divided by 360 into pi r square (1 upon 12 into 22 into 7), because these two we can simplify here 1. Further we can simplify this one. If you simplify this, you have answer 77 upon 6. That is, you can write as 12.8 centimeter square. Now similarly A3, that means the area of the larger sector, same method but the theta is different. Again R is 7 into 7. So this is 1 upon 3 into these two we can simplify. 22 into 7. If you simplify this one, 154 upon 3, this is, we are getting 51.3 centimeter square. Now final answer, the shaded region, that is A equals, that means the total area, A1, that means total circle, minus sector A2, this part, again sector A3. I have to remove these two. So 2464 minus A2 means 12.8 minus 51.3. So finally you will be getting the answer 2399.9 centimeter square. This is the final answer.
This example shows the different diagram. Here that shaded region we can find simply if you consider that quarter circle alone. First of all, you try yourself. I'll do the sum for you all.
Question number 7. This is the diagram. Here, this square is 14 into 14 and a semicircle. The diameter is 14, that means the radius is 7, and diagonal. So the shaded part we have to find. If you consider the total diagram, you may see this is a little bit complex, but very simple this is. You have to consider only this quarter circle. I'll draw this one separately. The diagram would be similar to this. So here we have to find the area of this shaded region. So I'm going to write the dimensions. So here 7 centimeter. This is also 7 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to find the total area of this quarter circle. Then you can simply remove the area of this triangle. So step 1, I'll write it A1, the quarter circle, 1/4 of pi r square. This is equals 1/4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So you can simplify these numbers, 7 and 7 and 4 and 22. You can simplify your final answer for A1, that means quarter circle. We are getting 77 upon 2 centimeter square. Similarly, the triangle A2 we can find triangle half into base into height, that is 49 upon 2 centimeter square. Now shaded region or A, the answer, A1 area of quarter circle minus A2 area of the triangle. This is equals, the quarter circle becomes 77 upon 2 minus 49 upon 2. So we are getting the final answer 28 upon 2, that is 14 centimeters. 28 upon 2, that is equals 14 centimeter square.
In this example, we have to find the shaded region. To find the shaded region, first of all, we have to find the area of the larger sector. Then from that, we can subtract the area of the smaller sector.
Example number 8. In this diagram, they have given two sectors, one with 60 degrees, the larger one, the other one is smaller one, 30 degrees. So what they have done here, they have simply removed this smaller sector from the larger one. So we have to find the shaded region. So step 1, area of the larger sector, that is I can find theta upon 360. Here theta means 60 degrees over 360 into pi 22 upon 7 into the radius is 14. So these two you can simplify as 2 and here 6. Further we can simplify 3 and 2. So finally A1 we are getting 308 upon 3 centimeter square equals the area of smaller sector 30 upon 316 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into again 7. This is equals 1 upon 12 into 22 into 7 because these two cancel. Again by 2 you can simplify this. 6 and 11. So 77 upon 6 centimeter square. Now final area A equals, I write here, larger sector minus smaller sector. Larger sector 308 over 3 minus 77 over 6. Right, now for these two LCM is 6. Then 308, it becomes 616, 77 because 2 times we have to multiply 308 by 2. Then your final answer 539 divided by 6 centimeter square. 616 minus 77 is 539 divided by 6 centimeter square. These are the final answer.
We have discussed several examples. In these examples, we use this equation, particularly theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is what the area of a sector. So you must know how to apply this equation in solving problems.